Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday. It's actually later on in the afternoon, but my house is kind of a wreck. So I thought that I would pick up the camera and do like a quick power hour clean with me. It needs to be cleaned up. That way I can go to bed and get up in the morning and not be stressed out about it. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me. Like I said, I'm just going to do an hour and see what all I can get done. I'm not going to stress myself out about it. But there's some things that definitely need to get done. I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm just going to get right on into it and get the motivation started. I will tell you, I'm going to start with some laundry because laundry always needs to be done. Then I'll get on to the kitchen and probably the living room and see what I have time for. So I hope this gets you motivated and I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get to it.
the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about...
Okay, so I've still got about 20 minutes left on my timer, but like I said, I was just gonna get done what I wanted to, and I wasn't gonna rush myself or make myself do anything that I really wasn't planning on, because it's Sunday. I want to relax. So I've got a few minutes. Ruben's actually out fishing right now, so I think I'm just going to take Bodie outside, give him a brush, give him a walk, because it's not real hot out right now. So dishwasher's running, clothes are in the washer, so as soon as that stuff gets done, I will put everything away, get everything dried and folded. But that's all. I hope you guys enjoy this really quick power hour motivation video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click that button below before you leave. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me